Hi, I'm Melissa Hartwig, Whole30 co-creator, and I'm here in my own kitchen making a delicious Whole30 lunch for you today, featuring some of my favorite Whole30 approved Applegate products. You know we don't eat bread on the Whole30, but we're gonna wrap some turkey, sweet potato, bacon, and a few other ingredients in a nutrient-dense collard leaf. The first thing I'm gonna do is slice this sweet potato into small coins. And these are gonna go right in the wrap. I've also got this beautiful avocado, which I'm gonna very carefully slice. And now for the star of the show, the Applegate Organics oven roasted turkey breast. So I'm gonna lay some turkey breast on this collard wrap. Let's use a couple slices. Okay, now I'm gonna add a few of my sweet potato coins, a slice or two of avocado. I have pre-cooked some of this Applegate sugar-free bacon. The last thing to do is just wrap it all up. I like using collard greens for this because they're a really sturdy wrap. They hold up better than a lettuce leaf, like a bib or a butter lettuce. Plus they're really nutrient dense. So here you go. This is a Whole30 take on sandwiches featuring nutrient-dense collard greens, Applegate Organics oven roasted turkey, no sugar bacon, grilled red onion, sweet potato, and avocado.